Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Isuzu D-Max SX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5644. The shape runs from the 11th month 2016 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate has multiple small dents. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear door has one small dent. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls. Interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.